On the next Quilt Show, dynamic innovation with fun fabrics and shapes.
Karla Alexander is back with her colorful, contemporary quilts, and she's developed this concept of Improv Littles.
They're little units of patchwork that you can use in your quilts that add a splash of unexpected.
Plus, learn how to make Inset organic circles painlessly. Karla actually says they're fun, and she promises perfection.
Then Ricky is showing you his brand new block, the Blink Block. It's a fast sew and slice block that will bring amazing results within the blink of an eye.
You've heard of rinse and repeat? Well, we're saying rotary and repeat.
You've come to the station for creation on the next Quilt Show.
Join us.